Hello, today we will guide you through Guide with Axiom. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to navigate Axiom and begin creating a wallet from the account settings area. This is a short process, but it helps to move carefully so you know exactly where each option is located. To begin, open Axiom and go to the SOL Discover page. This is the starting point shown in the guide, and it's where you'll access the platform before moving into your account options. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct screen and that the navigation menu is visible. Next, click on Account and Security. This section is where Axiom keeps settings related to your profile and wallet management. If you're new to the platform, this area is useful to remember because it's where you can control important account-related tools and access more secure setup options. After that, select Manage Wallets. This will take you into the part of the platform where wallets can be viewed or created. If you already have wallets connected, you may see them listed here. If not, that's completely fine. You're in the right place to continue. The main goal at this stage is simply to open the wallet management area so you can begin the setup process. Once you're there, click on Create. This tells Axiom that you want to start creating something new inside the wallet management section. Depending on how your screen is displayed, the Create option may appear as a button or action item, so just look for it clearly within the page. Then click on Wallet. This final selection opens the wallet creation flow and confirms that the item you want to create is a wallet specifically. From here, Axiom can guide you into the next part of the setup experience. As a general tip, when working in account and wallet sections, it's always a good idea to double check what you're selecting before continuing. Wallet tools are important, and taking an extra second to confirm each click can help you avoid mistakes. That's it for this guide. You've now gone from the Axiom SOL Discover page into Account and Security, opened Manage Wallets, selected Create, and chosen Wallet to begin the wallet creation process. Thanks for following along.